Sean Diddy Combs is fighting back against some of the allegations in one of the sexual assault lawsuits filed against him. Joy Dickerson Neal claims that Diddy drugged her back in 1991, then sexually assaulted her, videotaped it, and distributed the video. Now, his attorneys filed a motion to throw out her claims of human trafficking and revenge porn. They're arguing that Combs can't be sued for that because the New York laws didn't go into effect until decades after the alleged incident. Now, it's been 5 weeks since federal authorities raided Diddy's homes in Los Angeles and in Miami, but still no charges filed against him. The question we're wondering this morning, can Diddy shake the federal investigation? Let's bring back in our guests. Kinsey Schofield, our entertainment reporter on the panel. I'd love to start with you on this. Talk to us, please, about what you're hearing.
I mean, I have not seen so much of a pile-on in quite some time. You know, I don't know whether he's guilty of it or not, but I can tell you that Hollywood has quickly produced, with a matter of days and weeks, probably 10 to 15 new documentaries about P. Diddy, whether it's Fox News, they've produced one, TMZ's recently produced one, but really going into all of the allegations and the long allegations when it comes to Diddy's history. So I don't, in the court of public opinion, I almost, I'm kind of taken aback that this has turned so quickly on this man who used to be a pop culture icon.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, he sure is. I mean, when you think about it, this could be one of the biggest falls from grace we've ever seen in our lifetimes. It could be, depending on what happens. Casey Early, you practice in Florida. Have you gotten a phone call yet from Diddy's team? Kidding, but really not kidding. I mean, he's got to be assembling a team of great criminal defense attorneys. Talk to me here. Do you think he can shake this?
Well, it always depends on the statute that is being filed, right? So in my opinion, which is an unpopular opinion, the rule of law should always prevail. I understand that the court of public opinion right now, they despise P. Diddy. But if the laws were not on the books at the time that these allegations occurred, then the motion to dismiss should be granted. I mean, that's what zealous advocacy is. And I do believe that the scales of justice should always remain equal. So if he can get some of those charges dismissed, sure, but I'm pretty sure that this is the start, this is the tip of his legal troubles, because this has been ongoing since forever. And I'm glad that we're finally speaking out and, basically holding Hollywood to a higher standard, because years ago it was anything goes and everything was swept under the rug.
That's right. It is about time. And Agent Coffindeffer, would you take us home? We know you're a retired federal agent. The feds, they are good. When they get into something, it's serious business. Your thoughts?
It is serious business. Look, they went in there full force for everyone to see, and I believe that they're going to find extremely powerful evidence in the digital evidence and the videos that they retrieved.
I appreciate it so much. I've got to say goodbye and a big thank you to you three brilliant ladies for coming on opening statements this morning. Appreciate all of it. Agent Jennifer Coffindeffer, attorney Casey Early, and entertainment reporter Kinsey Schofield. Thank you all so much.